The sound intensity is described by the sound waves and the area where it occurs. Also, it goes in hand with the frequency. Every sound has its own, but it can change the intensity of the sound. On this investigation, we will calculate the intensity of a sound wave and determine its frequency. We are going to record a crowd area for 5 minutes and make a graph according to its sound intensity. With the help of an application, we can determine the frequency. Later, we are going to repeat the same procedure in a quiet area. In here, we could see the relation between the amount of decibels and the frequencies. At the end, we discovered on the crowded areas that they had a high amount of intensity, but these decibels can affect your auditive system, even if they are in the same frequency, so we recommend to try to make a balance between. In conclusion, because the sound's intensity is directly related to its frequency, we could obtain what we wanted to search, observing that two sounds with different intensities are related between them by the same frequency. In the same way, two sounds with the same amount of decibels are in a different frequency.